Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to our Unique Digital Academy and welcome to our new app Unique Digital. So ma'am, how we will find a best institute in Bhubaneswar and why we subscribe your channel. So I will explain step by step. Don't skip the video. So let's start with the video. Step 1. How to subscribe our channel. How to subscribe our YouTube channel? Go to YouTube and search Unique Digital Academy and this page will shown there. Click on subscribe button. But why we subscribe your channel, ma'am? Because you will find many helpful videos and you complete your fulfill goals. And Unique Digital Academy always provide a base lesson in a unique way. So next step, how to download the app. First, go to Play Store and search Unique Digital and install it easily. This page will show there. Click on install button. After that, how to sign up and log in. Click on the sign up option to create a new account for new user. So you are also new user. Click on sign up button and click on the login for existing user. Those who have already exist in our app. So this is the page. Click on sign up button. Otherwise click on login button. Then step 4. After click sign up option. This is our page. Click on sign up, then enter full name, select class and phone number and send OTP for sign up for verification and login. Enter your mobile number only and login. Then after that, the picture that will be shown, please see it below. This picture our home picture. Then step 6. Then what we'll do? Here we will provide 6 to 12 classes and competitive class also. So this page, suppose you choose class 6 for mathematics. Then you click on class 6. Suppose you will choose class 7. Then click on class 7. After clicking, this is our 4 classes. So class 6 mathematics, class 6 English, science and SST. Suppose you click on mathematics. Then how will make the payment? Then we click on the 365 subscription to get a better benefits. Means you click on 130 and 365 option is there. Click on 365. Why? You get a better benefits. Which type of benefits? You get a lesson materials and you get a extra doubt clearing class. So put on 365 button. After that, this page will be shown there. PhonePe and Paytm. You choose anyone, then payment. After that payment successful, and after that you will be able to watch 365 videos and you learn new knowledge regularly. So after payment, video will show there and after that you will get a better knowledge from our institute. So thank you to visit our app and have a good day, student. This is our toll-free number. Please note it down and confirm and join with us. Thank you.